Here it is. Come on. It's an RI Chaser helmet. 5+ years old. Not bad state. Wore it less than 100 times. Came a bit tatty from the inside. Very noisy helmet, and that's why I hardly wore it. Or used it, or whatever you want to call it. It's matte black. And take my advice, if ever you want to buy a matte black helmet, you really got to take care of them, because stare at it for long and it will scratch very easily. So first test, what are we going to do? You're riding along a nice bit of road, an eagle swoops down, grabs you by your shoulders, lifts off, wants to take you to his nest to feed you to his little chicks. And you look up, you punch him in the balls. Hang on, do eagles have balls? Anyway, that's beside the point. You punch him, he drops you, fall on your head. Is your helmet going to save you? Let's find out. I'm just going to throw it high up and see what happens. Okay, stop. Wow. Cheek pads came out. Not bad. What is this? Oh, that's the vent hole. The thing's still working. Not bad. Second test. You're riding along a nice road. A cowboy on horseback comes next to you, lassos you, drags you off your bike, and keeps dragging you behind his horse. Would your helmet survive? Easy. Oh man. Wow. That is incredible. Still working? Yeah. Okay, it's scratched to hell, but still working. I saw a bit fly off there. What is that? Let's go see. Oh, it's the this goes on the chin. Go into the litter pile. Oh, I'm impressed. Okay, let's think about the third test now. This thing is virtually indestructible. Third test. You're at a football match. The ball is lost and they ask for another ball. No one has one. So you give them a helmet. And he takes it. Goal! That's the damage. The cheek pad is coming out. Other than that, this visor, what is it made of? I've got another test for you. Oh, and by the way, if you're asking or saying what a waste of a good helmet, it's not the case. All manufacturers tell you after 5 years the helmet starts to degrade and you shouldn't be wearing it. I believe it's all utter bull, but then I'm a man who always follows the rule of the law. I mean, like traffic laws, all of that stuff. So I'm not gonna play or take any chances with my head. So for the sake of a few £100, maybe we should listen to them. So far, this has stood up to all the abuse that I've given it. And stood up is, yeah, I mean, still wearable with some modification. So now we're gonna set it on fire. I hope I don't set the fence on fire. That's enough. See how long is it gonna last. I think that's enough. We got the point. Let's see. Obviously, the inner lining gone, and the foam started to. Oh God! Not bad though. I'm surprised. Oh, now it's gone. Well, about time. Okay. I think that proves that helmets are virtually indestructible. Well, we're gonna cut it now and find out what they're really made of. Okay, let's start cutting. That's, ladies and gentlemen, what protects your head. Actually, I have to say, I was expecting it to go much worse than this. This helmet, and I presume all approved helmets, are built to such high standards, really protects your head. So when it comes to buying helmets, value your head and buy the best you can afford. That's really impressive. Wow. I like that. I might actually hang it on a wall somewhere.